ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। The list of the sutras. The next sutra is Kali Sarvesha Bo Bhago Bho Apurvasya Yoshi Lopaha Shakalyasya Kali Sarvesham. That we will see 8.3.22. This when you read the sutra, you can try to remember the number also. The chapter and the section is one thing. The number also, chapter and section to some extent we may be able to recall, whether it is in Tripadi or Sapada Saptadhyayi. It is good practice if you can remember the number also. Sometimes you don't have to say the whole the sutra. You can take the number. But the number also differs from the sutra patas, from two sutra pata. Different sutra patas are the number may change. In Kailasha Ashram Sutra Pata, numbers are different. And in the one what we are referring, there it is different. That may be the difference may be 1 or 2, plus or minus 1 or 2. Not much difference. It's okay. That's not a problem. Okay. Now this
are we inserting those two here, Ji? Sutras here?
We can insert. I have not inserted now. I'll maybe do it later.
Okay.
So this sutra in this see this is as I told you, this is our order of studying the sutra. Started from the Sanya Sutra, then Sandhi Sutra, then Sandhi different, Sandhis are there. So we are covering one by one. So in this way, I presented the sutras here to the students here. So there is a connection. I don't introduce anything which has not been introduced, which has not been talked about before. In that way, it has got some connection. That's how I found this sequence is good. This sequence, if you will see later, the sequence will cover all the sutras in the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. You'll see, in fact, we'll see more than what is in the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. Okay, then the next sutra, Hali Sarvesham, 8322. So the Anuvritti is, first we have to know the Anuvritti. First we have to do the Padacheda. Padacheda here not required. Hali is Saptami Vibhakti. Hal. So Sarvesham is Sarvesham. It is Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam Sarvesham. Hali Sarvesham. Kim Bhavati. What is that we are talking about? Lopaha. 8390. That Lopaha Sarvesham Bhavati. So the meaning of the word Sarvesham is Sarvesham means what? Sarvesham Acharyana Matena. That is the difference. Sarvesham referring to, because Shakalyasya iti Purvamuktam. Shakalyasya Matena Yakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Shakalyasya Matena Bhavati. Therefore Vikalpena. Therefore Yakara Lopaha Vikalpena Bhavati. Yadi Purvaha Avarnaha Chet Paraha Ashvarnaha Chet. Purvaha Avarnaha Paraha Ashvarnaha Chet. Yakara Vakara Yogo Lopaha Vikalpena Bhavati. That is Lopaha Shakalyasya. Yes, Sarvesham, when we say Sarvesham Acharyana Mate. So the Lopa Shakalyasya will apply only when it is followed by the Ach, the vowels. So Achipare. So Lopa Shakalyasya, if you want for your understanding, you can write within bracket Achi. Achi is not the Anuvritti. Achipare. Bobaho aho purvasya yo Achi. That is Lopa Shakalyasya. If it is Hashi, soft consonant, that is all the consonant, not only soft. Here, Hali, Panin Maharishi uses Hali because the word Hali can be taken as Anuvritti for the other sutras, or Yakara, Vakara, that which is followed by Hal. In other cases, it may come. You will see in Tinganta and all, Lopo, Byorvali and all. So there it will followed by the consonant. It must vanish. It must Lopaha Bhavati. Therefore, Hali. So Yakara, Vyoho. Vyoho comes as Anuvritti from that Vyoho, Bahu Prayatnataraha, Shakata Yanasya. If I show you Sutrapata, you can understand. Vyoho, Lagu Prayatnataraha, Shakata Yanasya. That Vyoho Anuvritti comes. Vakara, Ekara, Yoho, that is Sashti Vibhakti. Lopaha is also an Adesha. Okay, remember, Lopaha is also an Adesha. Lopaha, we say it disappears, it is elided, but Lopaha is also one. It means it is that null. The null in programming, you say null. Null is also a value. Okay, it is not that it doesn't have value. Zero is also a value. So zero also occupies a space, a place, a position. So Lopaha is also an Adesha. Like any distinct, a discrete Adesha, this is also an Adesha. So Lopaha comes in the place of Yoho, Vakara, Ekara, Yoho.
Ji, that comes up to 21 only, no, Ji. It's written as 21, no? Vyoho.
Vyoho comes as Anuvritti. But
up to 21, it says.
yeah, but that
only Yakara only will get Lopa, right? Even Vakara also, Ji?
Vakara, sorry, Vyoho, not Vyoho. That Yakara alone becomes Lopaha. Yakara is, that comes as Anuvritti.
From Yoshi, that is from Yoshi only it comes as
you can bring Vyoho also, even if it is not there, you can bring as Anuvritti.
Okay.
Yoho is, you can bring that as Anuvritti. Even if it is not shown, but you can bring it as anuvritti. The Vyoga only comes as anuvritti. Okay. So hali sarvesham Vyoho lopaha bhavati sarvesham. So hali sarvesham 8322. So for which the anuvrittis are now lopaha is anuvritti, Vyoha is also anuvritti. We will see Vyoho whether it is anuvritti. It must be anuvritti. Even though it is not there, let to bring that as anuvritti. हलि सर्वेषां सप्तमी भक्ति षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचनं सर्वेषां दो बहु अहो अपूर्वस्य comes as anuvritti from 8317. Lopaha comes as anuvritti 8319. Hashi comes but not required because hali is there. Padasya purvatra siddham samhitayam. Okay. Sarvesham acharyanam matena. This bos, bagos, sagos, etebhyaha parasya tata avarnad parasya. Avarna is akara or akara. Parasya. Padante, pada that is important. Padante vidyamanasya samanya yakarasya tata lagu ucharana yakarasya. That's why lagu ucharana yakara is the yakara comes as anuvritti. In some books, Vyoho, they just bring that anuvritti. Vyoho itself, it comes as anuvritti. In Vyoho also, that yakara only. Vyoho also, that yakara. Yakara comes as anuvritti from Vyoho, not that vakara. So vakara doesn't come as anuvritti. Only the yakara part of Vyoho, because vakara and yakara, the shashti vibhakti is Vyoho. From that yakara alone comes as anuvritti. So, and the yakara also, lagu prayatna tara yakara, it could be lagu ucharana yakara, or just a yakara, samanya yakara, both can be taken. Therefore, Vyoho lagu prayatna taraha, from that sutra, the yakara comes as anuvritti. Okay. And it is talked about the yakara lopaha, therefore yakara samanya yakara also comes as anuvritti. So samanya yakara se tata lagu prayatna tara yakarasya hali partaha lopaha bhavati.
It's like whatever yakara will be lopaha when hali comes. That's the meaning.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Padanta yakara must be samanya yakara or lagu ucharana yakara. Any yakara.
Okay.
Sutarthat purvam bindudvayam jnatavyam. 2 points to be known. Bos, bagos, agos, ete trayaha nipataha santi. These are nipata. Okay. Nipata, nipatram. These two are two different things. I don't know whether I confused later. I'm not sure. Nipata, nipatanam, both are different. Okay. Nipata is
particle, no? Particle.
Nipata is particle. Nipatanam is it is nipata is avyayas are all nipata, right?
Yeah.
Nipatanam is that the word for which the Pandit Maharishi had not written any sutra. That is called nipatanam. It is there. Sometimes Pandit Maharishi mentions even the word as in the sutra itself, for which he has not given separate sutra, how the word comes. Because Pandit Maharishi has used, therefore the word is that is Shishta Prayoga, it is there in the language. That is how we have to take. Nipatram, it's the word which is available, for which the derivation is not given by any sutra by Pandit Maharishi. That is called Nipatram. The Nipata. Okay, need to remember this. So Nipata. Ete bos bagos agos ete treyaha nipataha santi. Chadayaha asatve. One sutra is that Chadayaha is a gana asatve ityanena nirdishtaha yaha chadi ganaha. The gana. Chadi gana means cha etc. It begins with the letter, the shabda. Cha is a shabda. Abhyaya. Saha akriti ganaha asti. Akriti ganaha means it's an open gana. Open gana means other words also can be added to this gana. That is called akriti gana. some ganas are akriti, open, some ganas are closed. That is the the shabdas which are given, only those shabdas. No other shabdas can be included in that gana. Gana means group, the ganapata, referring to the ganapata. See, another advantage of this ganapata, not another, it's the main advantage of ganapata is the list of rules applicable to the set of shabda. You can mention just by putting those shabdas in a group. That's what Pandit Maharishi had done through ganapata. Ganapata means not, don't think it's like the chanting ganapata. No, that padapata, kramapata, gana, not gana, not that is not the gana. Gana means group. The list of shabdas are given in that gana, that group. There's some that gana may be open or closed. It could be akriti. Akriti gana is open. Other means open gana means other the words also, shabdas also can be added to it. Suppose newly coined word is there, that can be added to the gana. Therefore, it is open gana, akriti gana. So the rules applicable to the shabdas in the gana, they are common. Instead of mentioning a sutra, writing a sutra for each word, just put all the words in a group and commonly state that these are the rules applicable. What are the rules? The common rules. So that is that alpaksharatvam, that sutra lakshanatvam is achieved by that. So therefore it is important. That Ganapata is also it's one of the way this sutra lakshanatvam is achieved. So therefore chadiganah saha akritiganah asti. Atah yadyapi एतेषां शब्दानां तत्र उल्लेखः नास्ति तथापि एते शब्दाः पंडितैः शादिगणे समाविश्यन्ते. That's why I said it's akritigana. These shabdas are not read in the gana, but the scholars they include these shabdas in this gana, chadeyaha gana. Why? Because it is akritigana. Therefore, they are covered in this Chadayaha gana, Bos, Bagos, Agos, there are Abhiya, which are covered in the Chadayaha. Asatve. Asatve means it should not be a substance. Asatve. You'll see that later. I think Asatve means that is the one. Asatve. Okay. Then Padanta Vakara Ekara Yogosthane. Number point number 2. Ashipare. Yorlaho Prayatnataraha Shakatayanasya A318 Ityanena Vikalpena Lagu Ucharano Akaro Ekaro Bhavataha. So Lagu Ucharana Ekara Vakara is there in that Adesha comes in the place of the Ru when followed by Ash by the Sutra A318. Yasya Varnasya Spashta Rupena Ucharanam Na Bhavati. That is called Lagu Ucharana, we know. Spashta Rupena, that Ucharanam is not clearly said, it is mandarupena bhavati. Tata cha yasya varnasya ucharane sthanasya tata karnasya shaitalya manda prayatanaha jayate. Tadrisha varnaha lagu prayatnataraha varnaha namna jayate. That is known by the name lagu prayatnatara varna. We have seen that. Okay, lagu prayatnatara or lagu ucharana varnaha iti. Idanim sutrartaha spashti bhavet. That which is aspashtam becomes spashtam. That's called spashti. Spashti bhavet. Here, this is spashti bhavet. You would have seen many words like this. So this is shvi pratyaya. Shvi pratyaya is added. That generally it is added. That which is not is made into that. In that meaning, shvi pratyaya. Shukli karoti, example. That which is not white made white. Shukli karoti. The spashti bhavet, that which is not spashtam, it is made spashtam, spashti bhavet. We will see the pratyaya and those things later. Just there's an incidental point, spashti bhavet. That which was not spashtam, it has become spashtam now. Idanim sutrartha spashti bhavet. Now the sutrartha will become clear. Because the bindu dvayam as yes said, therefore it says spashti bhavet. अकारात् परस्य पदान्ते विद्यमानस्य सामान्य एकारस्य तथा लघु उच्चारणस्य एकारस्य उभयोः यकारयोः व्यञ्जने परे लोपः वर्तमानसूत्रेण विधीयते नित्यं भवति अलि सर्वेषां नित्यं भवति अकारात् अकार मीन्स् अवर्णात् परस्य पदान्ते विद्यमानस्य whether it yakara is samanya yakara or ragu ucharana yakara any yakara when it is followed by hal then it becomes lopaha yatha deva plus just is tritiya bhagavachan pratama vibhakti bhagavachan deva plus just that becomes devas that we will see how it becomes devas later. We are going to see in the subanta section. After sandhi we are going to see subanta only, not tinganta. We will see subanta, then we will see tinganta sutras. So deva plus just become devas plus gachanti, then padanta sakara replaced by ru sasajishoru. Then bo bhago ago purvasi yoshi tasestane yakaraha adesha bhavati devai gachanti. Now yakara followed by deva is padanta yakara and followed by hal, therefore lopaha bhavati. So when it is followed by the consonant, it was always lopaha nityam. Jnatavyam lopaka shakalya A319 tata oto ghargasya A320 एतयोः सूत्रयोः केवलं सामान्य यकारस्य लोपः उच्यते सः अपि केवलं विकल्पेन यकारलोपः उच्यते लोपः शाकल्यस्य ओतो गर्गस्य we have seen oto gargस्य what did it say remember it is नियमन सूत्र we saw ओकारात् परस्य अकारस्य यकारस्य नित्यं लोपः भवति and nityam lopaha lagu prayatnatara adeshah tu bhavati eva. We saw that oto gargasya. So lopaha shakalyasya by oto gargasya, what did we say? That samanya yakara is always become lopaha. Lagu prayatnatara yakara
This Okara will come, there will be Nitya Lopaha, right? For
yakara, yes.
Yeah,
Oto
for
is
that.
nityam lopaha. Lopaha shakalyasya also samanya yakarasya lopaha uchyate. Api kevalam vikalpena yakara lopaha uchyate. Yakara lopaha also it is yakara lopaha vikalpena uchyate. That is
Optional.
Lopaha chakalyasya is yakara lopaha is optional. And oto gargasya is it's very specific. If it is okara uttarasya yakarasya lopaha bhavati. Gargasya matena ashiparataha. That is nityam lopaha. Anyway, वर्तमाने सूत्रेण तु उभयोः यकारयोः लोपः भवति सः अपि नित्यं भवति. By this sutra is made nityam. When it is nityam, when it is followed by hal, padanta yakara preceded by avarna, followed by hal, nityam lopaha bhavati. Therefore, according to all the experts, not the experts, purva acharya, that's the right word, purva acharyanam mathena, samanya ekara as well as lagu ucharana ekara padante vartamana kopi yakaraha halipare deleted is not also not the right word. Lopaha bhavati is lopaha bhavati. That the same, because we have seen lopaha is adarshanam lopaha. The translation you don't take from here. The translation could have been better. Lopaha is adarshanam lopaha. That which is adarshanam or
that's unseen only. No, it's always there, but
unheard.
You
can't see. Not visible, but it is.
Yeah, there is. Yeah.
It is there. So, okay, then the next sutra now. Sali Sarvesham. So translation, please don't take this translation here. It is not good.
Okay. Yeah.
That translation not required. You can read through Sanskritam itself. The next one, Monuswaraha, the sequence. Then the Monuswaraha, 8323, the next following sutra. Monuswaraha, which is Stane, which is Adesha. So that you can make out what is, which is
Maha, that is Shashti. Yeah.
Maha Anuswara, first Padacheraha.
Yeah.
Maha Anuswaraha. So Maha Anuswaraha itself, what we apply the sutra, for Sandhi. Maha plus Anuswaraha is.
Okay. That is Yenga Padanta.
No. That comes later. Yes. That
Yes.
comes later, but before first sutra is. Yes.
Atoro Raplutata.
Atoro Raplutata followed by
Yenga Padanta.
Yenga Padanta. Atoro Raplutata, the number is. Number is.
Oh God.
You can remember. This is 113. 113. 114 is Ashicha. Yenga Padanta Dati 61. 611009.
9, yes.
61109. Number you can remember. It's good to remember. The sutra as well as the number. Yenga Padanta Ati. Okay. Plus or minus 1, it is okay. I don't know which way sutra pata you refer. So now Monuswaraha. What are the Anuvritti here? Anuswaraha is Adesha. Maha is this Stani. So Anuswarasya Adesha Bhavati Makarasya Stani. What Makara? Any Makara will be replaced by Anuswara.
Padanta Makara.
So Padasya comes as Anuvritti from 8-1. 8-1, 14 or 15. Padasya Sutra is the.
Yeah, 8-1-16. Yeah.
16. Padat is there, Padasya is there. Padasya comes as Anuvritti. So what is the connection between Padasya and Makarasya now? We will see the site later, but before that we'll discuss. Padasya Makarasya. What is the connection? Anuswaraha Adesha Bhavati. Yes, good. Putra Kasya Stane, Makarasya Stane. That is fine. Then what is Padasya is doing? Makara means not any Makara. You have to say it is what Makara?
Padanta.
So how do you write that vritti? Now, what is the connection, relationship between Padam and
okay, when
Makara?
followed by Hali. When followed by Hal.
No. Padam when we say not required Hal. No, that's not that not I'm asking. Between Pada and Makara, what is the relationship?
Okay, Anta. Okay, that.
Yes.
Tadanta Vidya.
Tadanta Vidya, when do you apply? And that is Visheshana Visheshya Bhava.
Yeah.
Visheshana Vishesha will, when it is, when that Visheshana Vishesha is there, then it must be of the same vibhakti, same vachanam, same linga, right?
Yeah.
That's all. Then only it's called Visheshana. So, Yena Viti Tadantasya Paribhasha to be applied. Padasya, okay, Padasya comes as Anuvritti, Padasya Makarasya Stane, Anuswaraha Adesha Bhavati means Padasya Makarasya. Pada having Makara must be replaced by Anuswara. It means every Pada will be replaced by Makara only. Then you will not have any word at all. So Pada is Visheshana to Makara. Therefore, Padantasya Makarasya. Yena Vidi Tadantasya, the Paribhasha to be applied. Remember?
Yeah. Okay.
That's what we saw when the rule is specified with a qualifier. The rule is applicable to the word ending with that qualifier as well as to that very qualifier itself. This is what we saw. Right? Yena Vidi Tadantasya.
Yeah.
Tadado Al-Grahane, that also we saw, and some Vartika also we saw. Right? So padantasya makarasya stane anuswaraha adesha bhavati. And the paribhasha to be applied also. When it is not clear, then only we apply the paribhasha. To make it clear, it is not the makara means it's not the padam ending with the makara. It is the makara, which is at the end of the padam, then it is replaced. Now we will read the here. Mahashashti Vibhakti. Pratipadikam is ma. In ma also that akara is ucharanartham. Remember, ma is the pratipadikam. Ma is makara plus akara. That akara in the pratipadikam is only for ucharanartham. Panini Maharishi could have said simply like taking makara and just say maha. Sorry, I think it's the maha one. Makara only is pratipadikam. Yes. Sorry.
Yeah.
If it is ma is a pratipadikam, then it would be masya. Masya anuswaraha. The sutra would have been. If it is ma is masya anuswaraha, sutra would have been. Anyway, the pratipadikam is makara. There is no akara there. Sorry. So maha shashti vibhakti anuswaraha pratama vibhakti ekavachanam hali. Hali also comes as anuvrutti. Okay, that is another thing. So two things are there. Padantasya makarasya hali pareva. When followed by hal also, it will become anuswara. So that is why hali sarvesham is required. See how beautifully the sutra. The hali, when it comes as anuvrutti, it serves two purposes. One is just mentioning hali. In the hush, only hush is the soft consonant. If he mentions soft hush, then again you have to say hali here. By simply saying hali one time. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
By simply saying hali, so both the things are taken.
Yeah.
22, 23, alpaksharatva. Actually, hashi sarvesham. That should have been hashi only. And the other, the hard consonants not required. And ha not required. But it is mentioned. Mentioned not for that sutra. It is for the next sutra. Monuswaraha, it is required. Therefore, hali. That is how alpaksharatvam is achieved. Mentioning once. So whichever is required, whichever is required, we have to take it. So now, Vyanjane pare, Samhitayam Vivakshayam. Samhitayam, it comes as anuvati from the 8-2 section last sutra. So that is Samhita. Samhita we saw. The word Samhitayam, as Adhikara Sutra 6-172 and 8-2 last, and in one more places also it occurs in the 6-3 section. 3 places occurs Samhitayam. Samhitayam is Vishaya Saptami. Samhitayam Vivakshayam. It is Vishaya Saptami. Samhitayam Vishaye Hali Pare Vyanjane Pare Padanta Makarasya Anuswaraha Bhavati. So Padasya Ante Vidyamanaha Yaha Yakaraha. That Yaha Makaraha, that Makara alone. Hal Varne Pare Samhitaya Vivakshayam Anuswaraha Bhavati. So when followed by hal, it becomes anuswara. So it must be followed by a hal, not by avasana and all. If it is avasana, then makara will remain as it is. So hali also, if you see, only followed by hal. When it is, what is other than hal? If you ask, other than hal, what is there? Ach, you can say.
Yeah, ach.
Not only ach. Avasana is also other than hal.
Okay.
We don't generally consider, but it has to be considered. Other than hal means it could be ach. What can follow other than consonant? Nothing can follow also. Avasana. So that's why avasana makara remains as it is. When it is the avasana, the pause or at the end of the sentence, makara is there, it remains as it is. So when it is followed by ach, it remains as it is. Only when it is followed by hal. Therefore hali. So samhitayaha vivakshaya anuswaraha bhavati. Yatha ramam pashyami ityatra samhita svikurmaha chet. अकारस्य अनुस्वारे कृते रामं पश्यामि इति सिद्ध्यति. So you get Ramam Pashyami. Ramam and Pashyami. If you do Sandhi, Padanta Makara, Ramam is the Makara replaced by Anuswara. Then you get Ramam Pashyami iti Siddhyati. Again you can do Sandhi. What is Sandhi? Nascha.
Nascha Padanta.
No. Nascha
No,
is
no, no.
Apadanta.
Anuswarasya yai
Apadanta
parasavarna.
Parasavarna. Parasavarna you can apply again. Anuswarasya yai. Right?
Yeah.
Nascha Apadantasya. Apadanta Nakarasya Makarasya. That is very clear for.
That comes before this, right?
That comes before, yes. Therefore, that cannot apply. And that also for Apadanta. Okay. Atra samhita vivaksha yaha samhita vivaksha yam. Atra samhita vivakshayaha eva. Atra samhita vivakshayaha eva agacchati. Okay. That's so. Vivakshayaha. Ataha. Sorry. Vivakshaya. Okay. Vivakshaya. Atra samhita samhita vivakshaya eva agacchati. Okay. Samhita agacchati. Vivakshaya eva agacchati. Okay. Ataha samhitayaha anupastitau ramam pashyati iti api sadhuhu. So if you don't do sandhi, it will remain as it is. Parantu keshu cha staleshu samhita nitya asti. That we know. Samhita, the sandhi is important in some places. Dhatu upasargayoho. That the shloka is that, which is samhitaika pade nityam. Samhitaika pade nityam. Nityam dhatu upasargayoho. That the shloka, the beginning of the sandhi chat. Samhitaika pade nityam. Nityam dhatu upasargayoho. Then vivakshayam too. If it is between two pada, then that depends on the speaker. So like you know that shloka. So ekapade it is nityam, and between dhatu upasarga it is nityam. Samasa it is nityam. So ataha etesham vishaye padantamakārasya nityam anuswarah kraniyah. Anuswara should be done. Yatha sam plus gacchati. Sam is upasarga. So upasargas are all padam only. Okay. Upasarga padam only. Sam is a padam. So padantamakara. Padantamakara, now it will be replaced by anuswara. Then anuswara is ei parasavarnaha, you can apply. Therefore sangachati. Anuswara is ei parasavarnaha is option. Therefore sangachati or sangachati you can write in both ways. That is why you will have the forms, two forms. Yatavyam. Yadi alvarnaha agre nasti, targi anaya sutra anuswaraha na vidiyate. Yes. If hal is not there means it could be followed by ach or it could be avasana. So then it remains as it is. Ita palam asti. That only varna meranam has happened. Agre kopi varnaha nasti chedapi anuswaraha na karniyaha. That is avasana. Ita iti alam. The example is iti alam. Ityalam. Vartamana sutrena makarasya anuswara deshaha vikalpena na bhavati nityam bhavati. Yes. It is nityam. इत्युक्ते संहिता अस्ति चेत् मकारः तादृशः एव न तिष्ठति. तस्य अनुस्वारः सदा भवति एव. When you do sandhi, it will must come. Okay. This is the sutra. Now, monuswaraha. Then the next one. Nascha padantasya jari. This is the next one. 83:24. Naha cha apadantasya chakarat, you can bring makara from the previous sutra. one is Padanta. Manuswaraha is Padanta. But now we are talking about Apadanta. Apadanta Nakarasya Makarasya. What? Jali. Jali pare. Jali pare kim bhavati? Anuswaraha comes as anuvritti. Right? Anuswara adesha bhavati. It comes, Anuswara adesha will come. So Anuswara is born because of these two sutras only. One is Padanta Makara, other one is Apadanta Makara. Apadanta Makara, Apadanta Nakara. Apadanta Makara, Nakara, we have condition. What is the condition? Jali pare. So Jali. Now we will see Padantasya, Apadantasya, na Padantasya, Apadantasya, Apadantasya Makarasya, tata Apadantasya Nakarasya, Jali pare, Anuswaraha, Adesha bhavati. Naha Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, that is a Sthani. Apadantasya, that Apadantasya, it is there in the sutra itself, so no problem. Apadantasya, Shashti Ekavachanam, Jali. And Maha comes as Anuvati from the previous sutra. Manuswaraha, the whole sutra comes as Anuvati. So Apadanta Makarasya, Tata Nakarasya, Apadanta Makarasya cha, Jari pare Anuswaraha Adeshaha bhavati. Yaha varnaha padante nasti, saha apadanta varnaha namna chate. That varna is not at the end of the padam. It's called apadanta varna. Yadi apadanta nakarat, apadanta makarat paraha, jal pratyaharasya varnaha gacchati. Tarhi takarasya nakarasya, sorry, nakarasya makarasya cha adesha rupena anuswaraha bhavati. So, yatha Payas Shabdasya Pratama Bhagavachanasya Rupam. Payas is Sakaranta Shabda. That example you won't be able to understand. We have to know other sutras. Just you can see the part which is required. Payaha plus just Pratama Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Just is replaced by she. Just Sashako Shihi. Then it gets Numagama by Napum Sakasya Jalachaha. We will see that later. Numagama, that will get the Pratipadiyam will get Numagama. Num will come after the last touch because it is myth. So Payans plus E. Now this Nakara is Apadanta Nakara followed by the Jal. Therefore only this Nakara becomes Anuswara. You get Payamsi. Therefore only you get Payamsi. Anuswara can become Parasvarna if it is followed by Yai, but Sakara is not a Yai, therefore not applicable. Payamsi remains as it is. Okay. So from the third line onwards, you can see Apadanta Nakara, the Nakara because of the Num Agama, that is Apadanta Nakara followed by a Jal letter, therefore becomes Anuswara. So Apadanta Nakarasya Sthane Anuswara Deshaha. That Anuswara remains as it is. It cannot become Parasavarna because Parasavarna must be an A letter. The Yai Pratyahara Sakara is not there, therefore it will not make any change to the Anuswara. But two, Nam Dhatoho Lat Lakarasya Pratama Purusha Ekavachanasya Prakriya. Yes. Now Rit Lakara, or not Lat, Rit Lakara, future tense. Nam plus Ya plus Ti. Now Apadanta Makara followed by Jal letter becomes Nam Syati. The form is Nam Syati. Iti Anuswaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. So these two examples are enough.
Yeah, even the word Samhita also, we use it as Anuswara. No?
Samhita. Yes. Samhita is Padanta Makara. Sam plus
Hita.
And followed by not a A letter, therefore Anuswara remains as it is. Okay. Then the next one, 8332. 8332. Nyamo rasvat achi nyamun nityam. First, you have to do the sandhi vicheda, to understand the Vyasta padam, the individual padam in this. Nityam, nyamun nityam. What is nyamun nityam? Nyamun nityam is nyamut nityam. Takara. It is nyamut. Nyamut nityam. Takara has become nakara. How it has become that? By the sutra. Yes. Yes. Yaraha anunasike anunasiko va. Therefore, Yaraha anunasike anunasiko va, by that sutra, with yer letter followed by anunasika. Followed by anunasika, replaced by corresponding anunasika letter. Therefore, nakara. Nyamut nityam. Nyamaha panchami. Nyam pratyahara you have to bring in. Nyamangana, that Nyamangananam is there. So, except the first, the Talabya, the Panchama Varga letter, other letters you have to bring in. Hrasvat Achi. Nyamaha Hrasvat Achi Nyamut Nityam. So, Nyamut is the Agama. A Nyamut is there and Nyamaha is there. So, the Nyamut is equal to, in a Nyamut you have to see it as, it is Titagama. Nyamut is a Titagama. Therefore, only Takara. Therefore, what is the Agama? Nyamut, Nyam stands for this 4 Varna. Right? That the Varna, the not 4 Varna. Nya, Ma, Nga. That is, Nya and Ma both are excluded. So, Nga, Na, Na. The 3 letters are there. The letters are there. So, it means Mut, Nut, and Nut. All these are Tit Agamas. Tit Agama comes Hrasvat Achi. Hrasvat Achi. That is Nyamaha preceded by the Rasva vowel, followed by Achi. Then what will get? It will get Namut Agama Nityam Bhavati. Now, where is Shashti Vibhakti here? Because Agama will be added to that which is in Shashti Vibhakti. Where is Shashti? Shashti is not there.
The Saptami Balyan. Saptami
Panchami.
Panchami Balyan.
Panchami Balyan.
Ubhaya Nirdishte Panchami Baliya. That is the paribhasha. So Panchami Balyan, Panchami will remain. Nyamaha Rasvat is Rasvat Nyamaha. Nyam following the Rasva Ach. And that Nyam is followed by Achi. Therefore, Achi, the following Ach, will get Nyamut Agama. So Nyamaha stands for Na, Na, Na. So when it is preceded by the short vowel, followed by the vowel, any vowel, Rasva Dirgha, then the following the vowel will get corresponding Agama. That's like Nyamut Agama. Nut, Nut, and Nut. Nityam Bhavati. This is Nityam. This is what the sutra says. Okay. So we'll see now. Sutra Pata. Nyamo Rasvadachi Nyamut Nityam. 8332. Nyamaha Panchami Ekavachan. Rasvat Nyamaha. Nyamaha preceded by Rasva. Rasvat means Rasva. What will be for Rasva? Only Ach will be Rasva. So Rasva, it means it is Ach only. With the Paribhasha, we know Achaha. Achi, Saptami Bhakti Ekavachan. Namut Agama Nityam Bhavati. So, bringing another case, Padanta, etc. So, Rasva Swarat Paraha Padante Vidyamanaha Yaha. Yaha, what letter? Nakara, Nakara, Nakara. Varnaha. So, when these are at the end of the Padam, so except Makara, if it is Padanta Makara, then what will happen? That if we followed by vowel, it will remain as it is. Followed by consonant, it becomes Anuswara. Therefore, Makara is excluded, and Na is also excluded from this. Nam Pratyahara. So, Tasmat Parasya Achvarnasya Kramena Mut Nut Nut Agamaha Bhavati. So, it will come as Agama to the following Ach. Anena Sutrena Triyaha Siddhantaha Prochyate. 3. What is that? Rasvasvaraha followed the Nkara preceded by Rasvasvara followed by Ach. Nakara preceded by Rasvasvara followed by Ach. Similarly, Dantya Nakara preceded by Harasvasvaraha followed by Ach. In this case, the following Ach will get corresponding Agama. And here it is Tit. Tit Agama. Therefore, Adyantatagito Ityanena Agamaha Staninaha Ado Agachanti. A Stani can be determined by the Paribhasha. Obey the step Panchami Baliyan. That Paribhasha is not Sautra Paribhasha, it is general Paribhasha. Now, examples Yatha Pratyang plus Atma, Nakara preceded by the short vowel A followed by the vowel. Therefore, the following Atma, the vowel, will get Nakara Agama. So, Pratyang Atma. Similarly, Sugun plus Ishaha, Sugun Nishaha. Asmin plus Eva, Asmin Eva. Nyatavyam. Nam Pratyahare, Nakara Nakara Nakarasya Samaveshaha Kriyate. These are covered in the Nam Pratyahara. Ataha Nut plus Nut plus Nut. Iti Asya Ekatri Karanam Krutva Acharyena Nam Pratyaharaha Eva Ut Pratyayam Krutva Namut iti Ullekaha Krutaha Asti. So, Acharya is done just by adding the ut because he wants that to be tit agama for these 3 letters. Therefore, he made it to your namut form. Asmin sutre nityam iti kimartam uktam. Why it is nityam? Purvani uktani he mapareva taha shituk iti yavanti sutrani 8326 to 8331. Vikalpena karyam kurvanti. Parantu vartamana sutrena uktam karyam vaikalpikam nasti. Etat spashtikartum nityam ayam shabdaha acharyaha prayukte. So therefore, this is nityam. You have never seen any word ending with the nakara, nakara, nakara. We have not seen any word ending with when it is followed by the other the words, and if it is ach, in fact, then it will do sandhi. The sandhi is nityam. So therefore, nityam is important. Asmin sutre shashtyantam padam nasti ataha ubhe nirdishte panchami baliyan. We saw anaya paribhashaya saptamyantam padam staninam nirdarshyati. So saptami will be treated as vistani. यद्यपि एतत् सूत्रं नित्यं कार्यं करोति आचार्यः वदति तथापि अष्टाध्याय्याम् आचार्यः सूत्रस्य प्रयोगं विना एव अनेकानि सूत्राणि रचितवान् इति दृश्यते. यद्यपि आचार्यः says नित्यं तथापि अष्टाध्याय्यां आचार्य पाणिनिमहर्षि अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रयोगं विना एव अनेकानि कार्याणि रचितवान्. Without this sutra, he has written many sutra. This sutra, without using this sutra, he has written many sutras. Like what? Ita iko yanachi. That is good example. Iko Yanachi. Yanachi, where is Yanachi? N plus Achi. In fact, here you have to apply. So if you apply, then it becomes Yanachi, it must be. But that is not there. The sutra, this generally you will find the application of the Sandhi Sutras and all in the sutra itself. That is why Sandhi Vicheda we do. But Iko Yanachi, it is there, it is not applied. Here Nakara is there, that is Nam letter preceded by short vowel that is of Yakara. Yakara plus A is there, that then followed by the vowel. Here it is not applied. Atra Nakarat parasya Nakarasya anena sutre nutagama vidiyate. Ataha Yannachi ityeva prayoga sadhu vartate. If Panini Maharishi, suppose if he has applied the sutra, then it must have been Yannachi, but he has not applied. Tata eva Unadayaha Bagulam. In that sutra also. Unadayaha. There also it must have happened. Similarly, Sanadyantaha Datavaha. That is another sutra. There also San plus Adi. San Nadi it must have happened. That one more Nakara or Nakara must have come. That has not come. By this sutra, it should have come, it does not come. Ityatrapi, as a sutrasya prayogaha na kritaha drishyate. Yeah, not used the sutra in this sutras. He could have used, but he didn't use. Why? That is Chandavat Sutrani. That is the Panini Maharishi's wish. Because sutras also like Chanda, like the Veda. Sutrani Chandavat Santi. Chandavat Sutrani. Ataha etadrishaha prayogaha sutrapate bhavitum shakyante. Therefore, sutrapata can have such prayoga, but not the bhasha. The language cannot have such prayoga. In sutra, such prayogas are possible. Panini Maharishi has that privilege. Parantu laukika prayoge anena sutrena proktaha agamaha nityameva bhavanti vikalpena na etat smartavyam. But in the bhasha, that is in the laukika bhasha, this must be done. There is no vikalpa, there is no optionality to it. Therefore, Namaha Raswatachi Yamut Nityam Bhavati. Okay. Do you remember in Vichendra, the sutra, this Nakara comes like this, the duplication, not duplication, if we can, and the duplication is not the right word. Asmin plus iti, asmin niti. So like here, asmin plus eva, asmin eva. By which sutras, this you will see the Nakara repeating. Huh?
Anachichava. Adanga duplication varu.
In what are the possibility? I am saying, what are the possible sutras by which this you will see the one more letter.
Okay, tasmin nirdishte.
No. One is this sutra, okay, where you see na. It is because of the agama, you see one more letter of that form. Right?
Yeah.
Second one is anusvarasya. No. Yaraha anunasike anunasikova. That is by the sutra you will find. Another place. That yar letter will be replaced by the following. It will be replaced by Anunasika letter. When you follow by Anunasika letter, there you will see.
Yeah.
For example, in that sutra we will see Anuswar, Yaraharunasika, Anunasikova. So there you will see that one more Nakara coming there. Right?
Okay.
Then one more place also. So when we did the Sandhi Vicheda, that time we have seen in all these places that you will see the form of that letter coming again one more time. Okay. One is this Nyamo Raswadachi Gyamut Vidyam. Other one is Yaraharana Sikirana Sikova. There you will see.
Lakara.
Huh?
Only Lakara.
No, not lakara. Not that one.
So,
Not that one. Another place, it similarly, this you will see the Panchama Varna repeating again. Okay, that we'll see. Then the next one. The next sutra is Visarjaniyasya Saha. Visarjaniyasya Saha. We have seen the word Visarjaniya. Visarjaniya is a long word. Why did Pandita Maharishi use? He could have used simply Visarga. He would have saved some letters. This Alpaksharatvam is not in using the Paryaya Shabda. We have seen that. And Paryaya Shabda is used, there this Alpaksharatvam is not applied. That's why in some places, instead of using Va, he has used Anyatarasyam. Va is just one syllable, but he has used Anyatarasyam, a long word. So Alpaksharatvam is not applicable for the Paryaya Shabda. So Visarjaniya is, he uses the place of Visarga, he uses. So in fact, he had never used Visarga, only Visarjaniya is used. So Visarjaniyasya Saha. Visarjaniya will get, that is Sthani, will get the Adesha Saha. Visarga, in fact, that itself is because of Sakara only. Now again getting Sakara Adesha. So that you should see the connection. Starting from Sasajishoru 8 to 66, from that only the Visarga, that room that has come, it come in the place of Padanta Sakara. The room only undergoes changes depending on what follows and what precedes. When it is followed by Kar letter, and accordingly it undergoes changes. When it is followed by Ash letter, soft consonants, or Ash vowels and soft consonants, it depends on what precedes also. Depending on that, it undergoes changes. All these things we know. Right? Yakara Adesha, then becomes a Visarga. And the Visarga, that Repa becomes Visarga followed by Kar letter. Now, what is the condition here for this sutra? The Visarga becoming Sakara. When does Visarga is replaced by Sakara?
Followed by Kar.
Followed by Kar letter. But if you see the Sutra Pata, Kar, it doesn't come as Anuvrutti. Kara Vasana Yoga Visarjaniyaha is 8350. And this Sutra is 8334. Visarjaniyasya Saha. So, therefore, it is Kara is not, doesn't, Kar letter doesn't come as Anuvrutti, but it comes as Anuvrutti. Only when followed by Kar, then Visarga will be replaced by Sakara. Then only the Chutta Sandhi, Shutta Sandhi, all these Sandhis are possible. Okay, that we know, we have seen Sandhi elaborated that, you can remember. So Kar letter comes as Anuvrutti for this Sutra 8334. How? Manduka Bluti, like a Manduka, like a frog, jumps. Similarly, the Kar letter comes only for this Sutra, jumping from 8315 to 8334, it jumps and comes as Anuvrutti. Even though it is not mentioned, we have to note this comes as Anuvrutti. There are three types of Anuvrutti we have seen. One is like a Nadi Pravaha, like the Nadi flows. Other one is like a Simha Avalochana, like the lion turning back. Sometimes a Anuvrutti goes back to the previous sutras, possible. Another one is this Manduka, the frog, like a frog jumping. So Manduka Pluti, Manduka Plutagati. Manduka Plutagatya, Kar letter, the Kar word comes as Anuvrutti. So now we will see this Sutra, Visarjaniyasya Saha 8334. Padante Vidyamanasya. Okay, that is important. That Padasya comes to be brought in as Anuvrutti. 116. Padante Vidyamanasya Visargasya Kar Varne Pare Sakara Adesha Bhavati. Kar Pratyahare Sarve Varga Pratamaha Varga Dvitiyaha Tata Shakara Sakaraha Agachanti. We know. एतेषु कस्मिंश्चित् वर्णे परे पदान्तविसर्गस्य संहितायां सत्याम् इत्यं सकारः भवति. When sandhi is done, then always sakara must come. Takara, takare pare vartamana sutrena visargasya sakarah bhavati yatha Ramaha plus tarati, Ramas tarati. After that, no sandhi happens. Takara comes in the place of visarga, then it is in contact with the takara only, no sandhi happens. Therefore, Ramas tarati, Balaha tu karoti, Balas tu karoti. Then curl letter, we have to see how many curl letters are there. 13 curl letters are there. In the 13 curl letters, ka, kha, pa, pa, that we know. The 4 letters. When these 4 letters follow, then visarga will remain optionally as it is or replaced by ardha visarga. That is apavada to this. Okay. And not apavada, I mean, it is that visarjaniyasya. Yeah, apavada to this. Visarjaniyasya saha, it's apavada to this sutra. That 4 letters you have to remove. Now, because it is apavada, it's going to come later. Para apavada, going to come later. It's apavada. Visarga will remain optionally as it is, or replaced by other visarga when followed by kakara, kakara, pakara, or pakara. That first class and second class, the first 2 letters, hard consonants. So that you can remove from the curl letter. So if removing that, how many letters you will have? You will have only 9 letters. That is 3 sibilants. And this, the 3 varga, the first 2 letters. Chacha, tata, and tata. 6 letters and 3 sibilants. When this follows, what will happen? That is what we are going to see. Can you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, dear.
Yes, yes.
So chakare chakare pare vartamana sutrena. So takara takara done. No, chakara or chakara. Vartamana sutrena stoho stuna stuhu ityane chuttum api bhavati. That we should not stop. We have to apply the following sutra, which is in 8.4.40. Harihi chalati. Visarga followed by kar letter haris chalati. The sakara will change now because it is in contact with chavarga letter haris chalati. So Ramaha plus chadayati, Ramas chadayati, then Ramas chadayati it becomes. So takara takara, chakara chakara, then takara takara, this 6 letters. Examples are given. When this letter follow, what will happen to the sakara, which has come in the place of visarga. So Ramaha plus tikate, Ramas tikate, then Ramas tikate. Vrikshaha plus takaraha, vrikshas takaraha, vrikshash takaraha. So takara, takara, takare pare, vartamana sutrena, visargasya sakare krite, stunashtuvi ityanena stuttam api bhavati. So followed by stuttam or stuttam, depending on whatever letter follows. So this is a must. So we should not stop with replacement, sakara replacement. Corresponding change has to be made. Stuttam or stuttam. Now, kakare kakare pare. Kim bhavati? Vartamana sutrena visargasya sakare prapte. The later sutra are going to come. Kupvoho khaf paucha. 8337. Ityanena vikalpena jukhva muliyah bhavati. Vikalpa abhave cha visargah tadrishah eva tishtati. So either ardha visarga or visarga will remain as it is. This sutra, the current sutra's application is not there. Therefore, that is apavada. Vartamana sutra se prasaktiki nasti. Similarly, prakara prakare pare vartamana sutrena visargasya sakare prapte tupvoho khpauche. That is same sutra 8337 ityanena vikalpena upadmaniyah bhavati. Yeah, the visarga upadmaniya will come. And when vikalpa bhave visargah tadrishah eva tishtati. Ataha vartamana sutrasya prasaktiki nasti. The present sutra will not apply. So 6 plus 4, 10 letters are covered. Now what is left out? Only the sibilants. If it is sibilants, then what will happen? Sakare pare vartamana sutrena visargasya nityam sakare prapte vashari iti anena vikalpena sakaradeshah bhavati. Vikalpa bhave visargah tadrisha eva tishtati. If shar letter follows, then what happens? Either the visarga will be replaced by sakara or Visarga will remain as it is. So, Vashari gives optionality to this sutra. Visarjaniyasya saha. Visarjaniyasya saha will apply when followed by kar letter. Within kar letter, if it is shar letter, then what happens? That replacement, the Visarga is optional. Therefore, only you will have two forms. And always you will see in the text with the Visarga. When followed by shar letter, the Visarga will be there. You will not see replaced by Sakara. Okay. Then if it is replaced by Sakara, then we know we have to apply Stohostonashtago. Then if it is replaced by shar letter, then and if it is replaced, if Visarga is replaced by Sakara, the Sakara will undergo further change. Stohostonashtago or Stonashtago by that sutra. That's what he says. Okay. Shakare pare vartamana sutrena visargasya nityam sakare prapte vashari ityanena vikalpena sakara adesha bhavati vikalpa abhave visarga tadrashaga eva tishtati. Yadi visargasya sakara jayate targi agre stoho stonashago ityanena shuttum api bhavati yata harihi shete will remain harihi shete or haris shete arishyete. Finally, it has to become harishyete if it is replaced by sakara. 8th one. Shakare parivartamana sutrena visargasya nityam sakare prapte vashari iti anena vikalpena sakara adesha bhavati vikalpa bhave visargaha tadasha eva tishtati yadi visargasya sakaraha jayate targi shtunashtago iti anena shtuttum api bhavati. If it is replaced by sakara, then shtuttum must happen. Then only it is complete. Jnatavyam. What is jnatavyam? Can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes, Jaya. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Power has gone here, so it means I thought the connection is cut. Last point, we'll read that and then stop. All these things we know, it is not something new to us. Jnatavyam karavasana yoga visarjaniyaha anena sutrena padanti vidyamanasya ruvarnasya karyavasane vapare visargadesha bhavati. That we know when followed by kar letter or avasana. Ataha padanta ruvarnat anantaram karvarne pare visarga jayate chet tasya visargasya tasmineva karvarne pare sakara adesha api bhavati. So padanta roop followed by kar letter, what will happen? Visarga will come, we know, and that visarga alone will undergo further changes followed by kar letter. Sakara will come, he says. That is what we have been repeating from the very beginning. Visarga sandhi, we know it very well. So अतः विसर्गस्य श्रवणं कुत्र भवितुम् अर्हति इति चिन्तयामः चेत् एतत् ज्ञायते. So visargasya shravana, when visarga will come, if you think, then you'll understand this. What is that? Ruvarnat anantaram. If it is viramaha, that is avasanam asti chet, ruvarnasya yaha visarga bhavati saha tadrishah eva tishtati. Number 1. Visargat paraha kakha pha varnaha stanti chet visargasya kupvoho kapvocha iti arena vikalpena visargadesha bhavati. Number 2. Visargat paraha sakara shakara shaka, that is shar letter asti chet visargasya vashari iti arena vikalpena visargaha eva tishtati. Where visarga will come, these three places it will come. One at the end, at the avasana, number 1. Second one is when followed by this kakha pha, then visarga optionally can come. Therefore, there also visarga you will hear. The third one is followed by shall letter also. Visarga will be optionally there. There also you will hear visarga. So in 3 places you will see visarga, he says. Okay. So now the following sutras will be, one will be apavada, another one will be optional. Vashari and kupvoho kafpocha. And Vashari also when Vartika is there. Sharparekar, those things and all we'll see. We'll see that in the next class. Okay, so I think Parvataji, now you know the Sandhi.
Okay, sir.
I hope you can follow this. This is what we've been covered Sandhi class.
Okay.
Okay, we can stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। In spite of teaching this here, even the people who have learned, they still have this doubt. Bo bago bago this apurvasi yoshi. Then atoro aputa taplate ati. So the confusion. It's always the car will come or not. What will happen here? Will lopaha happen or ukara adesha will come?
Yeah.
Even at the advanced level, this doubt will come, has come to many students, many people, not only students. Even my friend Brahmachari will have the same doubt. So it should be clear, no? Because I have repeated it so many times.
Yes,
Sandhi
yeah.
contest here also. That's why I don't want to leave anything. I read all the thing.
Yes, ji. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗಜಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ